Want to lose weight naturally at home? Welcome to NutriPeny. In this video, I'll show you easy homemade recipes that help burn fat, boost metabolism, and keep you healthy. Stay till the end for a bonus recipe you'll love. Recipe 1: Green Detox Smoothie. First, the Green Detox Smoothie. Take 1 cup spinach, 1 banana, 1 teaspoon chia seeds, and 1 cup almond milk. Blend until smooth. This smoothie is packed with fiber, vitamins, and antioxidants that detox your body and boost fat burning. Recipe 2: Quinoa salad with veggies. Next is a healthy quinoa salad. Use 1 cup cooked quinoa, half a cup chopped cucumber, 1 tomato, 1 tablespoon olive oil, and a pinch of salt. Mix everything well. Quinoa is high in protein and fiber, helping you feel full longer while supporting weight loss. Recipe 3: Spicy lemon detox drink. Third, the spicy lemon detox drink. Take 1 cup warm water, juice of half a lemon, 1/4 teaspoon cayenne pepper, and 1 teaspoon honey. Stir well and drink in the morning. It boosts metabolism, reduces cravings, and helps burn belly fat naturally.